Hi everyone, Sue here from Joe and Sue's Off-Grid Adventure, and just a quick video about the rain we just had and how flooded the garden is. Well, it's overflowing now. Over 1,000 liters collected in 2 days, a day and a half. Okay, just going to check on the garden. Still kind of raining here. The rain catchment got 1,000 liters of water there, and it was overflowing. And this is sloping downwards. So Joe dug me a trench along the front of the garden right here. So it drains the water out that way where there's a swamp and a creek. Otherwise it was flooding the garden 2 years ago every time it rained. Let's see how wet it is. So here's the trench Joe dug. Kind of overgrown with grass, but you can see the water in it. It's keeping it out of the raised beds and the in-ground. Trench kind of goes through there as well and takes the water out that way, and then it's a bit of a floodplain back behind the garden. But the raised beds look great. And there is some water flowing through them. Tomatoes are looking okay. Chives are really good. Got some standing water here and there, but it should drain away pretty well. And that's one of the good things about the raised beds, is that they don't get flooded. We really needed a rain, so garlic, everything, strawberries, they're doing great. Got some pretty big ones in there. These are 2 years of growth here from 3 plants. Peppers, some onions, and the rhubarb, some peas here, and some more tomatoes. And which way is easiest to walk? Oh, sinking. Alright, so the onions along there are looking really good. And cucumbers and melons have survived. And we have a lot of water sitting in this end. I'll have to dig a little trench over there just to drain that water off. And it drops off here about a foot, so it should be able to drain all that off of there. Because I just planted peas over there, and I have potatoes over there, and some other beans, so I'll have to get the rubber boots on and dig a couple of trenches to drain that water off. And that's why I'm heading towards building more raised beds. And the greenhouse is coming along pretty good too. I'm going to buy some panels, the clear, I believe they're Sun Tough panels. I'm going to buy them to put on the roof. And then I'll probably paint it all white. And yeah, it'll be done. Ready for next year. Alright, just a quick garden update after all that rain. And yeah, it's a little wet. Have a great day.